GIT workflow for solo developers. What is a GIT workflow for solo developers? A GIT workflow for solo developers is the personal system you use to manage your own code safely. Using GIT, it defines how you create branches, how you save progress, how you test changes, how you release features, why it matters, even if you work alone. Prevents losing work, helps track mistakes, makes debugging easier, builds professional habits. Even solo developers need structure plus discipline. Why solo developers still need a workflow? Many beginners think, I work alone, I don't need branches. But without workflow, cross-mark hard to undo mistakes, cross-mark hard to track changes, cross-mark risk of breaking working code, cross-mark messy history. With workflow, check mark safe experiments, check mark easy rollback, check mark clean project history, check mark ready for teamwork later. Simple branch structure for solo developers. Recommended structure. Main means stable working code. Feature branches means new features. Bug fix branches means fixing issues. Example: main, feature, login page, feature, search API, bug fix, crash fix. Why? Keeps stable version safe, allows testing without fear, easy to manage. Feature branch workflow. Solo. For every new change, create branch from main, work on feature, commit regularly, test feature, merge into main. Why? Isolates risky work, protects stable code, keeps history clean. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark mix multiple features in one branch. Good practice. Check mark one feature equals one branch. Check mark short-lived branches. Commit strategy for solo developers. Commits should be small, focused, descriptive. Good commit messages. Add user registration API. Fix null error in login. Refactor product service logic. Bad commit messages. Update. Changes. Final. Why? Makes debugging easy. Helps you remember what you did. Looks professional on GitHub. Daily GIT workflow. Solo. Typical routine. Pull latest main. Create feature branch. Write code. Commit progress. Test. Merge to main. Push to GitHub. Why? Builds discipline. Avoids accidental loss. Keeps work organized. Bug fix workflow. When a bug appears, create bug fix branch from main. Fix issue. Test. Merge back to main. Example: bug fix, payment error. Why? Keeps fix separate. Avoids breaking new features. Clean history. Release strategy for solo developers. When a feature is stable, merge to main. Tag version. v1.0, v1.1. Push to remote. Why? Tracks progress. Easy rollback. Shows growth. Using GitHub as backup. For solo developers, GitHub equals backup plus portfolio. Benefits. Check mark protects from data loss. Check mark shows progress. Check mark builds credibility. Bad habit. Cross mark using GitHub only as storage. Good habit. Check mark use GitHub with commits. Check mark use branches. Check mark write README. README matters for solo projects. README should explain what the project does, how to run it, features, tech stack. Why? Helps future you. Helps recruiters. Makes project usable. Bad README. Cross mark empty. Cross mark only title. Cross mark no instructions. Testing your own code. Solo devs must be strict. Test before merging. Run app. Check logs. Why? No teammate to catch bugs. You are your own reviewer. Common mistakes by solo developers. Working only on main. Huge commits. No README. No branches. No testing. Messy history. Why? Makes project fragile. Hard to debug. Looks unprofessional. Naming conventions. Simple. Branches. Feature. Login. Bug fix. Auth error. Refactor. API cleanup. Commits. Add. Fix. Refactor. Remove. Example. Fix login validation bug. Why? Easy to read. Easy to search. Clean history. How this helps your career. Good solo workflow. Checkmark builds real GIT skills. Checkmark prepares for teamwork. Checkmark makes GitHub look professional. Checkmark builds confidence. Recruiters see. Commit history. Branch usage. Project structure. Real life analogy. GIT workflow is like saving game checkpoints. Without saving, lose progress. With saving, restart safely. Branches equals save slots. Commits equals checkpoints. Main equals completed level. In simple words, solo GIT workflow means work safely, save progress, test before merging, keep history clean. Best strategy for solo developers. Use checkmark feature branches. Checkmark clear commits. Checkmark readme. Checkmark regular pushes. Avoid cross-mark direct main edits. Cross-mark huge commits. Cross-mark no documentation. Even when you code alone, you still need discipline. A good GIT workflow. Checkmark protects your work. Checkmark shows professionalism. Checkmark builds good habits. Checkmark prepares you for team jobs.